Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we are looking at Acer Predator Helios 300. This is the 2019 edition and I bought it from Flipkart. This is the box I received from Flipkart and I have to say I'm totally disappointed looking at the condition of the packaging. It's severely dented on all sides and mishandled by the logistics team. Come on guys, it cost me around 1,30,000. That's the least we could expect from Flipkart. Seal was also partially broken, so to make sure everything is in shape, I have already broken the seal. Okay, let's forget about the packaging. Let me break the box and dive you through in. Let me show you the price quoted on the box. It's quoted around 1,99,999, but it costed me around 1,29,990. Let me tell you the configuration of this model. It has an i7-9750H CPU coupled with RTX 2060 GPU with 6 GB of DDR6 VRAM. It has 17.3-inch display, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, 256 GB of NVMe PCIe SSD and 1 TB of HDD. As we break the box, we can see the laptop box separately packed and protected in foam, a charger box. Let me pull them out. And put the main box aside. Here are the box contents: a charger box, a quick start guide and a box for the laptop. Let me put the charger box aside and focus on the laptop. Let me pull out the laptop. The laptop is nicely wrapped in a plastic protective cover. This 2019 version has a blue and black theme all around, whereas the previous 2018 version has a red and black theme all around. Let me pull out the wrap. The laptop feels heavy and premium. Let's open the laptop. Here you can see the screen is protected from the keyboard by a cloth-like material. And there is a note which says, battery is locked. You need to connect it to a power outlet to boot it for the first time. Let me change the camera angle and connect it to a power outlet. Okay, here we go. Let me connect it to a power outlet and boot it for the first time. Let me fill in all my personal details and see you on the home screen. Here is the home screen guys. The display looks very sharp and colorful. The top panel is made up of aluminum, so does the top deck, whereas the bottom is made up of plastic. It has full-sized keyboard with RGB 4-zone lighting and a touchpad which is made of plastic. Let's have the physical overview. Let's start with the I/O selection. Here is the right profile. It has a USB Type-C 3.1 Gen 2 port and USB Type-A 3.1 Gen 2 port, a mini display port, a HDMI port and a grill for air outlet. Let me show you the back profile. Here there are two more air outlet grills and a caution which is written in the center which says hot surface do not touch. Let's see the left profile. Here there is a Kensington lock, one more grill for air outlet, a DC in port, a battery status indicator, a power status indicator, an Ethernet port, two USB Type-A 3.1 Gen 1 ports. On the right we have Gen 2 ports, whereas on the left we have Gen 1 ports. On the right it supports up to 10 Gbps speeds, whereas on the left it supports speeds up to 5 Gbps of speeds. Finally there is a headphone cum mic port. Now let's see the bottom profile. Here there are lots of air intake vents to cool the CPU and GPU. Two speakers located on either side which are bottom firing. They sound better than the 2018 version. Let me log into the laptop and see you on the home screen. Here is the default homepage and these are the pre-installed apps. It has all the Windows apps along with a Predator Sense app and a Mozilla Firefox pre-installed. Let me walk you through the Predator Sense app. Here is the home screen of the Predator Sense app. The home page shows the temperature of CPU, GPU and the system. Next in the list we have the keyboard lighting adjustments. Let me change the lighting color of the keyboard and show you how it looks. Next we have the overclocking section where you can overclock this GPU. Next we have the fan speed controls. In the next panel, we can monitor the performance of CPU and GPU. The next section is about game sync, where you can add any games to make them work on your desired setting. Finally, we have App Center. Here you can find all the Acer apps. That's it for today, guys. Hope you like my efforts. If you enjoy my content, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the full review. Okay, I forgot to show you something. The Predator logo lights up in blue while the laptop is on. Isn't it cool? With that said, this is Aditya signing out.